disc gradually becomes thinner. And the smaller it is, the longer the braking distance of the car. To avoid ending up in a dangerous situation, you should regularly measure the thickness of the desk. The tool that you see on your screen will help you to do that. It's highly accurate and allows you to work very quickly. The long body design allows you to measure the disc, without happens you remove the wheels. The tool is suitable for working cars, trucks, and motorcycles. These following gadgets, despite its simple design, can significantly simplify and speed up any repair work on the vehicle's cooling system. The device consists of a plastic funnel, as well as a set of 5 adapters. They make the device compatible with any car on the market. During operation, the funnel allows you to remove excess air from the cooling system, control the amounts of coolant entering the system, as well as perform unattended filling. Another important feature is the presence of an extension. It allows you to work radiator caps placed as an angle and get into hard-to-reach places. If you don't have money for a car lift, you have to use your imagination. Remember the basics of physics and use this trick, which doesn't require any accessories, power, or other complications. The owner can lift both the back and the front part of the car. Installing a scissor lift in a workshop is often difficult and time-consuming. Engineers from Denmark came to the rescue this system, which is easy to install and very useful. According to the company, it's like revolutionary lift. It can lift up to about 7,700 pounds, and the distance between the legs is flexibly adjustable. The lift height is up to 6.4 feet, and the width is adjustable, from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the quick release connection system, the lift is easy to set up and maintain, and is ready to work cars, vans, and SUVs. Replacing hand tools with pneumatic tools can significantly increase productivity and efficiency. The good way to upgrade your boxes, getting this pneumatic impact wrench. It has an ultra-thin head, with a 180-degree adjustable head angle, and a 360-degree rotating handle. This allows the tool to be used even in hard-to-reach places. In addition, the manufacturer guarantees a steady 400 foot-pounds of torque, in any situation. Hurricanes are very dangerous. They left 2 million people without electricity in 2020. That's why people are not only building cool cars and other homemade items in their garages, but also bullet shelters like this one. This one uses a galvanized steel frame. The work was done by Flat Safe, the company that specializes in projects like this. And the shelter will also come in handy if you need to change the oil on the car. Did you know that women are better than men in parking? So, these mats are a great gift for a male friend, a boyfriend, or a husband to enter the garage. The mats are special bumps that prevent us and water from the wheels from spreading on the floor. The size of the mats is 21.5 by 11 inches, and there can be installed with glue or screws. A nice addition is the reflective tape, so parking is easy even in the dark. Don't worry if your homemade lift has bent your car a little, and now it can only be used for spare parts. After all, you can make money even out of a damaged car. You can, for example, turn it into a couch. Interestingly, similar items can be found within DIY's garages, and in online stores. You can buy a Ford Mustang sofa for about $3,000. There are also beds, desks, tables, and even sinks for sale. So, one car can be enough to make furniture for several rooms. What do you think? This 2-in-1 storage system will help to avoid clutter, and to always know where everything is. The main feature of the system of these drawers, which can be used both wall lockers and as carrying cases, with load capacity of about 22 pounds. The standard set includes draw, 2 dividers, at the rail. This model is very versatile. It's easy to customize for a specific workshop, and it will be of interest not only to DIYs, but also to fishermen, hunters, campers, and some people mount the system directly into their cars. Now let's talk about the tools from Rema Tip Top. This company is doing quite well, which is clear from its name. In the 2020 fiscal year, it managed to reach sales of around $1 billion. All thanks to their products for tire repair. The team's products include vulcanizing, heat presses, balancing equipment, and a variety of compounds, tools, and repair patches, like the one shown on the screen. This patch reduces repair time by about 40%. Requires no additional ventilation, and is suitable even for tires that have to work in extreme conditions. A special compound with high adhesion allows you to sand the tire, making it look like new. Next is the winner of the renowned SEMA show. It's considered one of the key events for manufacturers of all kinds of cargo space. The product we're gonna show you will come in handy for cleaning air ducts, train holes. Experts advise you to clean them at least a couple of times a year, because all kinds of dirt gradually gets in there. Thanks to this tool, the cleaning process will be faster and easier. Basically, it's a flexible wire element with textile fibers, complete with mounts for cordless drills and screwdrivers. Next in line we have several cars lifts. This version is designed for 2.7 tons, and left the car to 1.2 meters in just 45 seconds. It's priced at around $3,000. But if that's too expensive, there are more modest options from another manufacturer. This version, priced at $1,900, can lift cars up 2 tons in just 90 seconds, at a height of 66 centimeters. Providing a comfortable working space under the vehicle. This is truly valuable gift for tire fitters, and a versatile tool for mechanics and car owners. The idea is simple. Instead of using many separate tools, the creators offer a base that can be adjusted with different attachments to suit the specific stage of work. Need an impact wrench? No worries, this tool can provide to all come to 100 Newton meters. A pump? Absolutely, it can pump up to 35 liters per minute. The tool is under user-friendly, one button to activate each option. It comes with a set of 4 hex heads, size 17, 19, 21 and 23 millimeters, which covers most automotive needs. This model can lift 3 tons to a height of 1.8 meters. And comes with a built-in alarm. For wholesale customers this lift is offered at $2,800 each. So which one would you choose? Dry ice has multiple uses, and it can even repel mosquitoes. But since we're talking about products for cars, we want to show you this blasting system that incorporates dry ice for cleaning cars. In the past, such systems were only found in large shops, with a hefty price of more than $50,000. However, this particular version breaks the tradition by offering a more affordable option at $7,000. Its compact size and weight of 19 kilograms make it ideal for working in tight spaces and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. With operating pressures ranging from 2 to 8 bar, this system can safely clean both plastic and metal surfaces. The manufacturer also highlights this cleaning method is more cost-effective than others.